You think cars are crazy? That's just the start. People are renting out their clothing, their pool, their boat, their house, their parking spot. Everything can be rented out these days, and you can make money by simply sitting and doing nothing. Imagine getting paid $706 every single month from simply renting out your car when they're not using it. And they make almost double of what the average car payment is every single month. That is insane. Think about it. People earn money by simply sitting at home on their couch or sitting at their desk at work or just going through their day in general when they're not using their car. Hey guys, it's Michael here. Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to make $706 by simply renting out your car when you're not using it. It's a great and easy way for anyone who owns a car to make an extra couple hundred of dollars every single month. So let's not waste any time and let's get right into it. The most important question of this video is, do you own a car? If you don't, that's fine. But if you do, this video will be great. If you do own a car and you aren't renting it out, you're missing out on a huge source of income. At this point, you're probably thinking, how can this be safe? Who would want to rent out their car to a stranger? Who would want to rent some stranger's car just to drive for the day? Is there insurance? There's so many questions. And we'll definitely get into all of those questions later on. But first, let's go over the top 3 car sharing companies in the US and across the globe. The 3 companies are Turo, Getaround, and HyreCar. And each of these companies are peer-to-peer car sharing services. And they each have their own benefits and drawbacks. So let's get right into it and talk about how you can make $706 every single month with any one of these apps. The first company that we will talk about in this video is called Turo, and Turo is the world's largest car sharing company. Turo's motto is way better than a rental car, and they're trying to change the way that people think about renting cars in new cities. They're located in almost every single city in the US. That is crazy. As well as they're located in the UK, Germany, and Canada. And Turo is probably the easiest app. The easiest one to sign up for and to start earning. The company reports that average car owners on the platform make $706 a month. At this point, I know what you're thinking. It sounds too good to be true. I don't want to share my car with someone. What happens if they get into an accident? What happens if they ruin it? So many questions. Well, with Turo, you are covered for up to $1 million from Liberty Mutual Insurance. So there's absolutely nothing to worry about. In addition to that, you pick between a number of protection plans that are available in the unlikely event that your car is damaged, stolen, or vandalized during the trip. Nothing to worry about at all. Renting your car on Turo is actually really simple. There are very few requirements to be a car owner on the platform. The main requirements are that you have to be 21 years old in the US, Canada, and Germany. And in the UK, you have to be 25 years old. While it may seem very easy, and it is, for the car owners to rent their cars, for the car renters, they have a much stricter process before they ever step foot in your car. The one thing that sets Turo apart from all of the competitors in the space is that as an owner and a renter, you can arrange pickup places. For example, if you are looking to rent a car and you're at the airport, you can have the owner meet you at the airport. All of this is arranged beforehand, but this is one feature that really sets Turo apart. In addition to the mere fact alone that they're located in more cities, more countries than any other car sharing app. Next up is Getaround. And what Getaround is it's a car sharing platform that allows you to pay at an hourly or daily rate. Getaround is still a very new platform, and it's only available in select cities. Just to name a few are Boston, Philadelphia, Los Angeles, Miami. As a car owner, it is very simple. The way it works is you submit your application. Once you're approved by Getaround, they install a Connect device. And what this device does is it makes your life very, very simple when working with the renters. The way the Connect device works is actually really, really simple and convenient. When you select a renter for a specific time period, they will have access to your car to be able to unlock it and use it through the app. So you never have to worry about coordinating schedules, meeting up with them. You simply just have to input your time slots that your car is available and schedule your pricing, and you are good to go. And there are two major aspects that set Getaround apart from its competitors. The first is that renters have the ability to access the car through the app. And the second is that there are hourly and daily rates. Most car sharing apps require that the renters rent the car out for the whole day, but not with Getaround. With Getaround, it is really convenient for both you and the renters because they can pick an hour, 2 hours, as many hours as they want and pay an hourly rate. Really, Getaround, while it is only available in a handful of cities, it makes it really easy and convenient for the renters and the car owners because they don't have to coordinate any times. And that is probably my favorite feature about the app. And last up on our list for this video is HyreCar. And I am really, really excited about this app. And you should too if you're looking to make money because it is designed specifically for Lyft and Uber drivers. There are no contracts, no sign-up fees, and very little waiting once you input your car into the app. And it is great for any on-demand delivery drivers who want to make some extra money in their free time but don't want to use their cars. The way that HyreCar works is very, very similar to Airbnb, and we all know how Airbnb works. You simply take pictures of your car, you set a price based on the market and the competitive prices in the area, and people will select to use your car for a certain day that you have it set to be available. Great! The average car owner on HyreCar makes $12,000 per year. So you may be thinking, well, if delivery drivers and Uber and Lyft drivers are driving my car, they're going to be putting on thousands and thousands of miles, and it's not going to be worth it. But think about it. You're making $12,000 for the whole year. That'll definitely cover oil changes, basic repairs, and you're not even having to drive your car or do anything. You're simply renting it out. Unlike the other car sharing apps, like I said before, HyreCar was designed specifically for Uber and Lyft and on-demand drivers. So the benefit of this is that there are fixed costs. The company builds the wear and tear prices directly into your rental price. So it makes it much easier for you and you don't have to worry about that. The best thing about this app is probably pretty obvious, but it's that if you're looking to do Uber, Lyft, on-demand driving, this app is great. Anyone who wants to do that, it really works. And for someone who wants to rent their car out, you know that there's always a market because there are always people who want to make some extra money doing Uber and Lyft and Postmates and DoorDash. People always want to make money, and you're basically giving them a vehicle to make money. Making $706 every single month is very, very doable with any one of these apps. And if you're worried, like any normal person would be, about renting out your car to a complete stranger, don't be. All three of these apps make sure that before anyone ever steps 1 foot in your car that they have been vetted. They all need to have a completely clean driving record and criminal record history. And honestly, that driving record and criminal history are probably the most important aspects you would look for someone who's going to be driving your car. So there's nothing to worry about. So if you own a car and you're looking for an easy way to make $10,000 to $12,000 extra every single year, or if you're simply just looking to make that money, then I would say check out each of these three companies. Check out Turo, Getaround, and HyreCar. See which one you like, go with it, and comment down below which one you like the best. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you haven't done so already, please like my video down below, subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when new videos come out. I'll be posting at least 3 times a week on this channel, and as always, until next time.